Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix your IT administrator has limited access error on Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix it guys. Today's video I'm gonna sharing two solution guys. You just want to go to search menu for first solution, type cmd, opens up run command, right click on it and select run as administrator, select yes. Now check my video description for this command guys used in my video. Just need to copy it and copy all this command at the same time. Right click on the bar and select edit and select paste. Press enter and the operation completed successfully. After getting this message, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. If this solution does not work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. For that you just want to go to search menu and type PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, right click on it, select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this PowerShell command guys, copy and paste it in, tap the bar, right click, edge it and paste it in, press enter. After doing this, hopefully your problem has been resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.